and girls, I am at the first floor extension renovations. It is now 15:22 on the 20th of April. I didn't manage to do any filming on this project yesterday. Yesterday was a Monday. I do apologize for that. What the guys are busy with at the moment is various. We're cutting in some recesses in the bathroom. I'll go show you guys what we're doing there. We're also doing a site clean. You can see Langton over there busy doing a site clean. We've just repacked all our scaffolding so it just looks a little bit more presentable to the client. Tomorrow we've got a big team here. We need to do preparation work for skimming of the walls. We're also meeting up with the ceiling installation company. They're meeting us here at 8:30. Unfortunately, one of the skimmers, as it goes, he's had some stomach issues, so no external plastering is continuing at the moment. We've done for the last 2 days cleaning up the roof wherever there was some of the dagger or mortar that was messed on the tiles. That's been cleaned up. The flashing around the chimney has been done. We're just neatening up that. So there's a few things that we need to do tomorrow with regards to preparation work. We still need to finish up that little piece over there. The angle is now finished, so we're going to cut the bricks for that. We need to finish that. As soon as we've built that, we can then plaster. There's a little bit of that brickwork that was protruding at the bottom of the internal. We've chopped that off, we've plastered that. All the patchwork inside the house has been done, so literally we're just ready for skimming. Once skimming is done, we will do the screed. The materials are busy offloaded as we speak. The guys have just brought the cement, so as soon as we've got the skimming done and the ceilings done, we can do the screed. I just don't want to get any of the skim product on the new screed, because then we've got maybe a problem with regards to the vinyl on there and it might delaminate or whatever the case might be. We've done a clean on the front side of the house. We have also finished up all the inside of windowsills on the internal of the house. So guys, a lot have been done. We need to do some timber battens for brick filling. That's we're going to do tomorrow. So as I said, a lot of things done, and I'll just show you a little bit of a montage. Morning, boys and girls. It is the 23rd of April, 8:45. I'm at the first floor extension. It's the first time that I've been back to site since last week Friday. So let me quickly give you an update on what has happened on this project. You guys can see all the ceiling grids on the first floor. This is above the bedroom. Remember, for everybody that's new, it's going to be a bed here, bedside table, bedside table. Then if we walk around this side, we've got the built-in cupboards is going to be here, the built-in cupboards is going to be along this wall, and this entire section over here is going to be built-in cupboards. You guys can see all of the ceiling grids are in, going into the bathroom. They still need to do this ceiling grids over here. We have cut the recesses inside the shower, so mixer is on this wall over here, and shower rose is on that wall there. All the windows are in, barring one. We have started to plaster external reveals. Inside here we're doing preparation work for skimming. So Kanisa is just finishing up a little bit of the ceiling branding in there. We've got Lucky over here just doing preparation work for the skimming. So obviously, because it's painted, there's a product that we can apply on the paint for the rhinolite or the Casa 4 or whatever skimming project we're going to use, that can stay and stick onto the wall. Let me just quickly show you outside what we've done. Let's pop in here to the kitchen. So inside this room here, ceiling grids in, and we've plastered there. Obviously we're going to skim this entire section over there. This section over here, ceilings are in, so that means that any services that have to go down there, like lights, etc., can go in. Going outside underneath the patio, you can see the entire ceiling grid is in here. Now this gives time for lights to be installed, and the client is going to put a few speakers inside this void over here. So a lot of things has happened since I've done the project in Pretoria. We're done with that now. You can see Nando's over there is just finishing up the reveals. That's what I was speaking about, that there's going to be a band around the reveal with the windowsill nice and plastered, and that's all smooth, and the rest is just a blush plaster. Joe there is just doing the preparation work for Nando's then to skim. And on this section around here, you can see we've done one window reveal there. That window we're going to stay open. The screed material has arrived on site, so as soon as we have the wall skimmed and the ceiling in, we're going to do the floor. I just don't want the product to lie on top of the screed, because that's going to maybe have an impact on the floor that's laying on top of the screed. Happy with the progress that the guys have made. We've got a team here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guys on site this morning. There's again a site meeting, as always on a Friday, 8:30 on site with the clients, the architects, and I think the engineer is going to be here. I'm not quite sure, but ceiling guys are nearly here. They're going to continue with grids in the old section. We're going to reuse that branding, because there's nothing wrong with it. They still, as I said, got a little bit of ceiling grid to do in the bathroom. And then next week we are going to start skimming. We are also going to start tiling in the bathrooms.